In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust line spacing in Outlook email messages. We all know how important it is to format our emails in a way that's both professional and easy to read. Getting the line spacing just right can make a big difference in how your message is received and understood. So let's dive right in. If you're already using the new Outlook, you'll want to start by looking at the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the option to create a new email. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a fresh email composition window where we can begin adjusting the line spacing. Now that you're in this view, let's focus on the Message tab. This is where you'll find most of the tools you need to compose and format your emails. Within this tab, you should see a spacing icon. This little tool is your friend when it comes to adjusting how your email looks. It allows you to control the distance between lines, which can help make your text more readable and aesthetically pleasing depending on the content and purpose of your email. Alternatively, you can find another way to access the spacing settings in the Format Text tab. This tab also provides various text formatting options that can enhance the appearance of your email, such as font type, size, color, and most importantly for our tutorial today, line spacing. By knowing these two different pathways, you have flexibility in how you approach text formatting, depending on your personal workflow preferences. With this knowledge, you can now use the spacing feature effectively in your email. Exploring this feature a little further, you'll find that adjusting line spacing is particularly useful when drafting long emails or when dealing with lists and paragraphs that need clear separation. Consistent spacing not only makes your email content more appealing, but also significantly aids in conveying your message more clearly to the recipient. This process of adjusting line spacing in Outlook is really straightforward, yet it is an often overlooked detail that can bring clarity and professionalism to your communications. Whether you're writing an email to a colleague, a client, or a friend, taking a moment to consider your line spacing can really pay off in the way your message is perceived. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've learned how to adjust line spacing in your Outlook emails, enhancing both readability and presentation. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes composing emails a little bit easier and more effective for you. Thank you for joining me today, and happy emailing